documentation for Suricata and JQ are installed. If they weren't, we could run this and this, but I'll just show that they're installed using Suricata 7.0.10 and JQ 1.7. Alright, now we need to look at the Suricata JSON files, or the alerts that Suricata picked up. I'll just go to my downloads, and then I will run this, which will just show us the types of alerts and how many of each there was. So we have a lot of IP blocks due to dangerous IPs detected by DShield. We have some poor reputation IPs detected by SINs. We also have some scan attacks, which could be some reconnaissance on some databases, some virtual machines, and we also have some brute force attacks. So in regards to databases, the hypothesis that I was doing was reconnaissance attacks are being performed on the system to identify accessible and vulnerable database services on this network. Now we're just going to go through and look at each type of database and the alerts that they had, and see who was attacking and at what times they were attacking. So I'm just going to create a file with for the MSSQL alerts. We can see the IP addresses that were attacking. So a lot done by 8.42.77.171, and we can see which IP they were attacking, which is the 138.68.3.71. We'll also be able to see at what times these IP addresses were attacking. So we have the few that were 2 at a time, that had 2 instances of alerts happening at almost the exact same times. So this could be a bot or a script performing these attacks. And then 8.42 IP coming in pretty consistently and frequently every couple of minutes. And then we'll look at the MySQL. We'll just create the JSON file. And so there are 10 alerts here, and again, a lot from 8.42.77.173, just another 2 from another IP address. We'll look at which database they are, or which system they're attacking. Again, it's 138.68.3.71, and we can look at the timestamps. Okay, so again, very similar times actually to the MSSQL device of SQL database. We'll just look at the PostgreSQL database. Creating the file. We've got 8 again from 8.42.77.171. And again, they're attacking 138.68.3.71. timestamps. Again, now we can even see clearer as many other IPs that they're attacking at very similar times and intervals. It's kind of as if this IP is attacking scanning each database, and then cycling through them every couple of minutes. We'll just do the same for Oracle. Okay. Copy. So as you can see, more attacks from 8.42, again on the 138.68. And again, very similar timestamps. Alright, and finally we copied and pasted this, and this is just showing the timestamps and each of the alerts that a Suricata received from IP address 8.42.77.171, so we can get a better understanding of how it's attacking and at what times it's attacking each database and anything else that it's attacking. So it's scanning and doing it very periodically. So basically every second it's scanning a new database or virtual machine, and after it's finished, waits a couple of minutes, and then it goes through the process again. So it's likely a bot performing some type of reconnaissance, which would prove the hypothesis.